Solflare wallet versus Safepal wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products can be found in the description. Let's dive straight into a comparison of Solflare and Safepal wallets to understand which one is best suited for your needs in the crypto space. Solflare wallet is tailored for the Solana ecosystem, providing a sleek and user-friendly experience for managing SOL tokens, staking, and interacting with Solana dApps. Its features include native support for Solana-based NFTs, a streamlined staking interface for earning passive income, and secure multi-signature options for added protection. Solflare is accessible via a web browser, mobile app, or as a browser extension, offering great convenience for users who are deeply invested in Solana. It also integrates seamlessly with Ledger hardware wallets for extra security, making it an excellent choice for those prioritizing a seamless Solana-focused experience. Safepal wallet, in contrast, is a multi-chain wallet known for its robust security measures and versatility across various blockchains. It offers both software and hardware wallets, with the hardware version being entirely air-gapped, eliminating any connection to networks that could compromise security. Safepal supports 25-plus blockchains and thousands of tokens, making it a great choice for users who want a broader portfolio beyond Solana. The Safepal app includes an integrated dApp browser, supports direct DeFi interaction, and comes with features like token swap and buy options within the wallet. It's designed for users who need comprehensive multi-chain support with top-notch security practices. If you're exclusively focused on Solana and want a wallet that offers specialized Solana services, Solflare Wallet will be your go-to choice. It provides a more streamlined experience for Solana-specific activities and has a user interface that is particularly friendly to Solana enthusiasts. On the other hand, if you want a versatile and secure solution that can manage assets across various chains and prefer having the option for a hardware wallet, Safepal wallet is the better fit.